In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set notification reminder time in Slack. So if you want to receive notifications for your reminders at a specific time, then you can go ahead and set these in Slack. If you find this video helpful, I kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, to set a notification on your reminders, it is pretty simple. Just go ahead and click on your profile picture down here, and then go ahead and choose preferences. From this, choose the first option, notifications, and under it scroll down until you get to this allow notifications. Under this, go ahead and look for this set a default time for reminder notifications, and you can see my current time is set to 7 a.m. So I'd like to go ahead and change this from 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. and I'll choose this. And each and every time I have a reminder in my Slack workspace, I'll receive a notification for that particular reminder at 9 a.m. So that's how you can schedule or set a reminder notification time in Slack. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.